Use frozen cucumbers to clear dark spots, to clear acne, to give you an even skin tone, and to clear the dark under eye shades. Welcome to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I'm glad you're back to watch my videos. I'm giving you the best remedies and very simple remedies, and I'm going to explain very few benefits. The rest of the benefits of the frozen cucumber you're going to get in our video description, and you watch till the end. Now I'm going to demonstrate in a very simple way. This is what you do for acne. I'll just do it a bit. For acne, you just do it direct to the spot. This one is very good even for sensitive skin, because cucumber is a face toner, very gentle, and this is going to help you protect your skin from sensitivity. And if you have dark under eye shades, this is what you do. You just rub under the eyes. Just close your eyes, just rub, continue rubbing, make sure it doesn't enter in your eyes. Just continue rubbing. It has a very cooling effect, very nice feeling. Cools down. This is going to clear the under eye, the black shades that you don't want. This will give you an even skin tone and gives you a youthful skin. Can I use this for the whole face? Yes, this will help balance the production of oils. Just rub it on your skin, just everywhere. Cucumber is very good, very good. This gives you an even skin tone. It will remove the hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is when you have the sunburns. It's really glowing, but this will help you. Just keep it. You can keep it for like 10 minutes and then you wash your face. This is very, very good. It's a very good face toner and balances the skin on. The benefits of cucumber. Cucumber is a face toner. The juice itself is a face toner, and the ice itself regulates the oil production that keeps your face from acne, that tightens your pores and gives you a very rejuvenated, youthful skin. And again, cucumber will keep you off from any sensitivity, protects your skin and moisturizes your skin. This is what you want, because it protects, it helps production of cells and protects the skin from getting any damages, and protects your skin from sunburns. And even if you have sunburns, kindly use cucumber on your face. You can use it even as a face toner without the ice. I'm going to show you on another video. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos. Don't forget to put on notifications for more videos. I love you with the love of Christ. Thank you.